Okay, today now we're going to show you how to make the tartar sauce. Alicia is going to be doing that. Okay, so to make the tartar sauce, I'm using 3 tomatoes, sliced in half, washed and sliced, half an onion, okay, and then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. It can be any kind of mayonnaise, doesn't really matter. So whatever you have at home, you can use. Okay, the tomatoes must be finely chopped up. Okay, so once you've done with the tomatoes, you need to slice the onion fine, like the tomatoes as well. And then just drop them all in. Okay, after you've cut the onion and the tomato, this is what it will look like. Okay, now we're going to have to take the mayonnaise and add it to this mixture. Just going to add in some onion leaf. To garnish it. And there your tartar sauce is ready. Okay, I've just added some another tablespoon of mayonnaise to the mixture. It was a bit short, but this is how it should look once you've mixed the mayonnaise in. And I've just garnished with some fresh coriander.